Not holding that wallet yet? No sweat at all. I've got everything handled for you. Right now, I'm walking you through one of the smoothest low-key ways to launch a meme coin. Cash out big, and leave with bags so heavy, your group chat won't believe it. But before we dive into this crypto cheat code, let's keep it real. Where you launch your meme token can make or break it. Forget about pump.fun. Toss it out of your playbook and never look back. Fire up Photon, switch on that pump.fun filter, and prepare yourself for a mess. You'll see waves of tokens like Doge 2, SHIB King, and an endless stream of random coins flooding in every second. Let's be honest, most of these are dead before they even hit the radar. Pump.fun is basically the meme coin graveyard, a dumping ground for lazy devs and low-effort drops. Now let's get serious. Head over to Radium and flip on our custom filters. What do you see? No junk, just clean, high-potential launches. Only a handful of tokens every few minutes. And the trading volume? Absolutely nuts. These coins pump for a reason. Launching here isn't easy. It takes effort, a little tech skill, and real intention. That's where we come in. Time to launch live. Say hello to VIVUKU, your all-in-one launcher for smooth Radium token drops. No confusing setups, no coding headaches, just 2 clicks and you're live. Total simplicity. Here's how I did it. Step 1. The token look. I grabbed a random game character off Google. Those always hit. Quick tip. Open Canva, make a new 128 by 128 frame. Drop in your image, clean up the edges and sharpen it if needed. Then create a public view link, copy it, and boom. Your meme token logo is done. No designer, no budget, just vibes. Step 2. Launch time. Go to the VIVUKU launch page, select your Phantom wallet, and approve permissions. It's super quick. In the setup screen, type in your token name and symbol. Both are required, no skipping. Optional. Add a fun description. Mine said, Steve just entered the meme coin universe. Fitting, right? Upload your Canva logo and hit next. Step 3. Token economics. You're now on the financials page. Tempted to change the settings? Don't. The defaults are already optimized for meme launches. Keep it simple, click next, and save yourself the trouble. Step 4. Safety switch. Here's the key moment. The authority revoke settings. Leave them on, always. It signals your token is safe and transparent. Turn any off and buyers will think it's a rug. Not a good look. Click Launch My Token. Quick plug. While it's launching, join my Telegram. There's a 1 Sol giveaway coming up fast, and you don't want to miss it. Step 5. You're live. Confirm the transactions. Total cost to launch is about 0.6 Sol. You may see a warning. That's totally normal. The site's still new. Click I understand and move on. You'll get a success message with all your token details. Scroll down and click the Sol Scan link. That's your direct view into all your token data. Transactions, holders, volume, everything. Always double check here. Better safe than sorry. Step 6. Create liquidity. Let's build your liquidity pool with VIVUKU Sol. Copy your token address from the summary page and click Create Liquidity Pool. It'll open Radium. Make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Paste the token address into the base token field. Add your token name and symbol, then hit Add User Token. Set total supply to 1 billion, but only load in 900 million. Pick Sol as the quote token. Click Max, then lower the price by 0.2 Sol to handle fees. Pro tip. Go all in on your own buy. First buyer equals fully secured position. Set fee tier to 2%. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool and approve the transaction in Phantom. Step 7. You're on the map. Head back to Photon. Set the filter to Radium, and you'll see your coin listed and live. Now jump into Deck Screener, paste in your token's address, and watch the chart come alive. Tiny trades will start popping. Those are bots testing the waters, totally normal. The real action is about to begin. Step 8. Track and profit. Back on Radium, go to Portfolio and hit the Standard tab. You'll see your wallet balance and positions. This is also where you remove liquidity and lock in profits. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for your position to show. Totally normal. By now, you'll see early buys kicking in. Momentum's building. Volume is rising. Interest is climbing. Another big buy just landed. Told you, Timing is everything. 2025 is still meme coin season, and if you move fast, there's money to be made. Step 9. Cash out. When you're ready to cash in, go to Portfolio, connect your wallet, find your position, and click minus. Slide to 100%, check your total, and if you're good with it, click Remove Liquidity and confirm. Boom. Funds land in your wallet instantly. Open Phantom and yup, it's all there. The best part? You can run this play anytime you want. But don't sleep on it. This opportunity won't last forever. All tools I used, including Bitlik SOL, are linked below. No affiliations here. This isn't financial advice. Just educational game, pure and simple. Join my Telegram, and don't miss your shot.